This is how to upgrade from macOS Monterey to macOS Ventura. Apple offers operating system upgrades for free, so there will be no need to purchase anything as long as you already have an Apple computer. Before we begin, it is recommended that you back up any important files or data, just in case something goes wrong during the upgrade. Once you're ready, navigate to System Preferences. Next, click on Software Update. Then click Upgrade Now. Read through the long licensing agreement if you wish, then click Accept. The download should then start. This step may take a while depending on your internet speed. Mine took roughly 20-25 minutes. After the download completes, the install process will begin. This step also takes a little while. Once that step is done, you will be prompted to restart your computer, or your computer will automatically perform the restart for you. Now all you have to do is wait, but while you wait, your computer will turn off and on multiple times, but don't worry, this is just a part of the process. Once the install has completed, you will be greeted by the login screen or your home screen. And that is pretty much it. You can confirm the upgrade worked by checking your macOS version in the About This Mac section. As you can see, we are on Ventura 13.2. And that is how to upgrade from macOS Monterey to macOS Ventura. I hope this helps. Feel free to drop a like if it did, and I'll see you later.